Takes away the light. I'm sitting in the sand and watch the night. As the stars appear, I know you're there for me, but still I fear that I'll never be free. I know it was your task to fix the light. As everything barely lost the words you ever told. Without you here, I lose my warming cape. In the sky, I try to find your previous shape. Oh, the waves get bigger, faster, stronger. Cannot hold my tears much longer. Now I need to know if you exist. But now everything around is burning. Everything feels so concerning. Everything makes me feel out of breath. And only you can help me out this pain. You can activate my brain. You can save me from my looming death. So liberate me from my chains. So recreate our damaged brains. And in the tears, the sweat, the pouring blood, the pain, the claw, the raging flood. Whoa, the flood tears us apart. The flood tears us apart. But now everything around is burning. Everything feels so concerning. Everything makes me feel out of breath. And only you can help me out this pain. You can activate my brain. You can save me from my looming death. So liberate me from my chains. So recreate our damaged brains. And in the tears, the sweat, the pouring blood, the pain, the claw, the raging flood. Oh, the flood tears us apart.